everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Lottie Ann Silvis, and I'm here to want to actually share with you a tool. This is a great ebook tool. You can create ebooks professionally, and I want you to watch this video, alright, and I want to share it with you. It's very affordable. The regular price for Scribble is actually $197, but it is $67. But the good news is you get $13.40 off with this coupon code here. So you will actually pay $53 and some change to get this software. And this is what I use. Alright, I actually am a VIP member with this software, and the training here is very simple, very easy to use, and it's not as complicated as Designer. I used to have Designer, but I don't choose Designer anymore because they charge monthly fees, and we need to avoid monthly fees. All right. You're going to really enjoy this software if you get in. It's $53 and some change just to own it, and you get it for life. There's no monthly fees. Now, if you want extra tools, you can upgrade to the other tools that they actually have available for you. And for me, if you're a serious marketer, you would upgrade. You will get more tools. And if you want more tools, just go into the back office of your software, chat with someone there, tell them to give you a great discount. And that's how I was able to get all the products, because I kept communicating with them how serious I was, and then I wanted more tools, and I wanted to give me a huge discount. Now, it's depending on how much you want to grow, how much you want to invest. If you want to invest faster, if you want to invest slower, take your time. It's growing and learning takes a lot of time, so don't rush. Slow yourself down and learn about how to use this software. Okay, it's amazing. You're gonna love it, and I use it for my Etsy shop. I use it to build other websites and showing and teaching other people how to use it. So let's watch the video.
In this short video, you're going to discover new revolutionary software technology that will help you build your list faster than ever, get more sales, and make more profits online within minutes. But first, there's a massive problem online I have to tell you about. Ebooks are essential for everyone doing business online or is planning to. Whether you want to create a report to build your list, educational guides, company white papers, be an author, or to create digital info products to sell, they're the easiest way for customers to be introduced to your business, consume your content, and build a relationship with them. However, they are hard, time-consuming, and a pain to create. Research, planning, writing content, editing, formatting, and all that designing. Typically, you'll, Route 1, do it yourself. It can take days, weeks, or even months to design, write, and create a decent ebook or free report that people will want to download, buy, or actually read. Plus, our survey told us that no one likes or has the time to start from scratch in today's busy world. Or, route number 2, outsource it. If you were to outsource it through sites like Upwork or Freelancer, it would cost you anywhere from $300 to $1,000 for someone to create just one ebook that didn't look like it was made in 1998 and was written in proper English by a native English speaker. Or, route number 3, stock templates. A search online will find you ebook templates that would cost you between $45 and $200 a piece. If you're looking to create a few ebooks a year, that cost will add up fast. Plus, you'll still need to learn and be able to use complicated software to edit them. The good news is, there is now a better way. That's why we spent 12 months in our lab like mad scientists, invested a lot of money to finally crack the code. Introducing Scribble. Scribble is the world's first point-and-click ebook creator that allows you to create beautiful professional ebooks and reports in minutes, not hours, days, or weeks. You'll never have to pull your hair out again. Just choose a template, fill it with content, and you're done. Just imagine, in minutes, being able to create highly engaging, professional ebooks to sell, or free reports to build your list, without hours of writing, coding, or designing, without spending thousands of dollars on freelancers, and without juggling tons of complicated software programs. Stunning ebooks like these that make jaws drop. There's nothing to install, and you don't need any technical skills. The process is so simple that even a child could do it. In fact, you can create your next ebook today in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose from 50 eye-grabbing ebook templates across all kinds of niches. From business, marketing, food, home, health, finance, sports, spirituality, arts and education, we cover it all. Search by keyword or select a category from the drop-down menu to find the perfect template for your next project. Step 2. Fill it with automatic content. Just enter a URL and watch Scribble fill your pages with fresh, ready-made instant content at a push of a button. Or choose to fill your ebook with a selection of 1,000 ready-made niche articles from the internal content engine. Or grab content from one of your own Word files instead. No more hours of writing content from scratch, unless you want to. Step 3. Customize it with your own color theme. Then add, delete or edit pages, headlines, images, paragraphs, text blocks, dividers, buttons and links, features, bullet lists, or call to action areas. And that's it. Just hit generate and you're done. In less than the time it takes you to boil a kettle, you would have created an impressive, highly professional, trust-building ebook that's ready to sell online, or give away to build your list faster than ever before. Ready to publish online? That's easy too. Just tap the Publish button at the top of your dashboard to instantly publish your ebook online, for instant exposure. There's a reason billion-dollar giants like Apple spend multi-millions of dollars getting the look and feel of their designs, and branding just right. People do judge a business by its look and appearance, so it's important to look the part with high-quality design. They'll trust you more, and be willing to spend money with you. Instantly transform cheap-looking designs that nobody cares about into stunning titles that scream high quality. Throw away complicated, expensive software tools because Scribble does it all, using an easy-to-use online platform. Get instant access to creating unlimited ebooks, massive 50 template library, 15 niche categories, 300 theme layouts, automated content engine, automated table of contents, automated headers and footers, automated page numbering, add unlimited pages, 1,000 plus stock images, total editing control, one-click formatting, point-and-click technology, plus the ability to add your own web design elements to bring your ebooks to life and stand out from the crowd, and much more. However, this offer won't last long, and the price will be increasing at any time. If you order right now, you'll also get 300 plus Google fonts too. Make your ebook truly stand out, with some of the coolest fonts on the web, ready to use right inside your Scribble dashboard. Give it a risk-free test drive for 30 days and watch your customers say, wow! If Scribble doesn't save you time and money, increase your ebook sales, or help you build your list faster, we'll give you all your money back, no questions asked. Forget spending hours, or hundreds, even thousands of dollars creating a single ebook ever again. Now you can instantly become an author and crank out an unlimited number of professional, visually stunning ebooks that people love to read and buy in minutes. But that's not all. Since we're really invested in your success, we're also going to give you a special commercial license worth $497 at no extra cost. That's right, for free. This gives you unrestricted rights to use Scribble to sell ebook design and creation services to your clients and charge them anywhere from $150 to $600 plus for your fees. You keep all the money, and there is no royalty to pay us, ever. There are thousands of people online looking for someone like you to design, create, and format their ebooks for them. So it's the perfect opportunity for you to generate an additional income every month. Just imagine. Only 2 clients a week paying $150 could generate you $1,200 a month. Or, just 5 clients a week paying $300 for a more in-depth ebook could generate you $6,000. Now your next question might be, where do I find clients? Well, we've got that covered too, because we're also going to give you training and a complete done-for-you agency website worth $997. Having a professional website developed would normally cost you thousands of dollars, but today you'll get it for free. Your website comes complete with a high-quality portfolio, giving you that professional look to attract high-paying clients with ease. Just update it with your name, email, and address, and upload, ready to go within minutes to start generating business online. You'll also receive full training, software updates, and support around the clock with our excellent customer service team. This is truly a game changer, and there is nothing like this out there. Get access to the world's most powerful technology today. Please note that this is a limited time offer. We'll be removing the bonuses and increasing the price soon to keep things competitive for our users, so you need to take action urgently. So don't wait. Click the button below to get instant access to Scribble right now and create your next professional ebook, report, or white paper in minutes for more leads, sales, and profits.
Yes, everyone, order now if you are interested in starting your own ebook store. I do truly recommend, highly recommend. This is the easiest software platform you're going to find out there. Very great customer service. You're going to have really good ebooks made here, easily made. You get all the content, so if you don't know how to write, Scribble actually help you create content, and its content is already built in the software. So I would check it out. If you are interested, go ahead, click on that link below. I have a link to this website where you can actually sign up and get your discount right now for $53 and some change for you to get this software. All right, everyone, be a creator, create ebooks, make ebook stores like me. You know, if you have a passion, if you're a marketer, this is an excellent deal for you in a whole package where you can avoid monthly fees. There's no cost to you. Just own the software and you will have it for life. All right, talk to y'all later and talk to you soon. Bye for now.